In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up item parameters in Google Analytics 4. If you sell products or track content at an item level, item parameters help you analyze attributes like color, size, brand, or category for each product in your events. To make those attributes available in reports, you'll register them as custom dimensions with item scope. Here's how to set that up from start to finish. First, open a browser and go to analytics.google.com. Sign into the Google account that has access to the property you want to configure. Make sure you're in the correct GA4 property before proceeding. You can switch properties from the selector at the top if needed. Next, click the admin gear icon in the lower left corner. You'll need editor or higher permissions to create custom dimensions. In the admin screen, look for the section labeled Data Display. Click that to expand its options. Within Data Display, click Custom Definitions. This is where GA4 stores all of your user, event, and item scoped custom dimensions and metrics. At the top right, click Create Custom Dimension to start a new one. Begin by entering a clear, human-readable dimension name. This is what analysts will see when building reports and explorations, so choose something descriptive like item color or product size. Keep your naming consistent with your team's conventions. Add a description that explains what this dimension represents and how it's populated. A strong description makes it easier for others to use the data correctly later on. For scope, select Item. Item scope links the value to each product in the items array of your e-commerce events, rather than to the whole event or user. This is essential when you want to break down a single event by multiple products purchased or viewed. Now, in the item parameter field, enter the exact parameter key that your implementation sends for each item. This must match the key name in your items array precisely, including capitalization and underscores. For example, if your implementation sends items, item ID, item name, color, blue, then enter color. Do not create a new name here unless your tags or code are already sending that exact parameter. If the parameter isn't being sent yet, coordinate with your developer or tag manager setup before proceeding. When everything looks good, click Save. From this point forward, GA4 will begin collecting this dimension for incoming events. Data isn't retroactive, and it can take some time before the new dimension appears in standard reports or becomes available in Explore. Keep an eye on quotas for custom dimensions and document what you've created for your team. And that's it. Your item parameter is now registered and ready for analysis.